dizzy now. All right, let's get back out on it. Good morning, everybody. We are here at another spot in the Greenway, but we're down here at the Walter Hill Dam, which is right over that way. Maybe we'll go over there a little bit later. Trail starts here and goes yink, zink, zink, and then under the bridge. And I don't know how far it goes. Well, let's take a look at how far this is gonna go. This is our path. And it's gonna go all the way up here and then stop here. And then continue all the way to here. So it's, I'm hoping it's gonna be a good long trip. I need one. So we got everything loaded up and I finally got my new seat. And I can't wait to ride it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go. All right, let's get down the trail. Oh, it's such a beautiful morning. Oh, you're good, you're good. Zigzagging through here. Woo! Squeeze the brakes, geez. Oh, we gotta climb. What a way to start the day. Let's get, not even time to warm up, just burn right off the bat. I'll take it though. What a start. Nothing like that leg burn to start. Last time I was down here, holy crap. Oh, last time I was down here, it basically went about 20 feet under the bridge and stopped. That was years ago. Holy shit. Oh. And they put a bench for you right there. So as soon as you get up the hill, you can stop. Wow, what a hill. The GoPro effect is gonna make me look like a sissy, but that thing was, that was rough. All right, we're still going up, but not even close to what we were. Holy crap. Oh man, that hurt. Nice little rock here. That is a nice boulder.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
All right, let's get down here, get some speed. Oh, and there's the sign that says going up. I thought that was it. Boy, was I wrong. Here we go again. I don't care if the whole thing is only a mile long. I will have got my workout. Wow. Whew. Surprise to me. Ryan Van Duzer saw my videos. Or at least he looked at them because I emailed him the links and actually responded on Twitter, email, and on YouTube. So that surprised the hell out of me. And like, I was so shocked that someone with as many subscribers as him actually responded, because they just don't. That's one good dude right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to walk down stuff that would clip my head off. I don't know how good y'all can see this, but there's actually a whirlpool going on right out here. On the far bank, it's going down, and on this bank, it's moving up and it's swirling. But I thought we'd be able to come down here and get a good view of the water so I can show you guys. But obviously, that ain't happening. And I forgot to tie up something on the bike. I mean, it's not gonna go nowhere, it's clipped in. But I always tie this top strap of the bag to the seat post to help it stay as centered up as it can. And I just turned my camera apparently. All right, onward. This is one heck of a trek on the trek. All right, we're out of the woods. Where's the trail go from here? I think we're going this way. No bikes. No bikes. Ride only on equestrian trails. Well, red is an equestrian trail. I think I'm saying that right. So their signs don't make sense. This bridge is a good 20 feet above that creek down there. All right, so far we're at 1.63 miles. Okay, so we already talked about my depression and extremely negative thoughts. I bet my hair is atrocious right now, but cause and effect. I'm one of those people, I've got a very short fuse. So that has actually gotten a lot better. A whole lot better. I feel healthier. I don't know if I've lost any weight because I didn't get on the scale today, but I feel healthier. Kind of strange. You'd think I'd get on the weight if I felt like I've lost weight, but we'll get on the scale. I'm not a good talker. This is just amazing out here. It's like you almost don't want to talk because it's so beautiful out here. This is just stunning. Let's go do some hills. Let's turn on the other GoPro. We finally found a way to get away from the cables. Hi. We found a place. This is what it's all about right here. The peace and quiet and just calming of a little creek stream coming through. Clear water as it gets. I mean, it is just clear. Absolutely just clear. There's no gook or dirt, anything really floating down the water besides bubbles. That is beautiful. Oh God, I can do this. I can do it. Don't wimp out. What would Doozer do? Oh crap, we did it. Whew. Headed to the dam. I just make it up as I go along. This is fun. Oh. We'll go see the lower half there in just a few minutes. All right. Let's ride out this way. This is another place me and my wife used to come hang out. And you got the water out there. Popular fishing spots. Alright, moving on. Probably running out of battery. Getting there. I got extras though, no worries. Got another spot here. Again, people not picking up their trash. Oh, I see a little baby turtle in there. That's cool. But again, I've caught a turtle fishing here. All right. Oh, this is fun out here on these trails. This is fun. Big rocks. Woo-hoo. That just sunk. I just sunk right into this stuff. This is not hard enough to ride on. What this is when it floods here. I've seen the water get to the top of that bridge. Literally to the top of it. I mean, you can see the trees are laid over. And there's a reason for that. But this area over here will change. This gravel will move around. Sometimes the water comes over here, sometimes it don't. If you made it this far through the video, why don't you hit that subscribe button? You made it this far. So until the next one, which we will film every ride, regardless of how long it is, and I'll give you the updates. Yeah. We'll see you on the next one.